Previously in our story.
What was that sound? What happened to Mom? Mom, you have to wake up! Please, Mom, open your eyes!
Actually, there's something you should know. Congratulations, she's pregnant.
I'm going to be a big sister!
Yes, and I'm going to need a lot of help. I'll help you, Mom, I promise.
Looks like we have a little helper already.
Mom? Mom, where are you?
Sarah? Sarah, are you home?
Dad, where is Mom?
Maybe she went out for a walk. I'll go check outside.
Dad, wait.
What?
Mom left a letter here.
A letter!
Mom wrote something. I love all of you. That's why I stayed quiet for so long. But little by little, I started breaking inside. I couldn't handle all the housework by myself anymore. Every day felt the same: cooking, cleaning, laundry, groceries, and taking care of everyone all alone. Even when I was sick, exhausted, and emotionally drained, I kept pushing myself. I was tired every single day, but I kept pretending I was okay. I need some space to breathe again. I'm not angry. I'm just exhausted. I need time to heal. Please don't look for me. I don't know how long it'll take. Maybe a few weeks, maybe a few months, but I'll come back when I feel like myself again. Lisa, focus on your studies. Harry, please take care of our daughter. Take care of yourselves. Dad, Mom really left.
She's never done anything like this before.
She sounded so hurt.
I didn't realize things had gotten this bad.
She left because of us. Dad, she was doing everything by herself and I just watched.
No, Lisa. This is all my fault. I should have noticed how tired she was.
Dad, you work so hard for this family.
That doesn't matter.
It does matter. Mom always tells me how hard you work. Some days you leave before we even wake up. Sometimes you skip meals because you're busy working. Sometimes you don't even come home at night because you're still working. You sacrifice your sleep, your food, and your free time just to take care of us. How could you help Mom when you were already working day and night for us?
Lisa!
No, Dad, it's my fault. I was home every day. I saw Mom cleaning. I saw her cooking. I saw her doing laundry. I knew she was pregnant. And I still didn't help her.
We both made mistakes. But blaming ourselves won't bring Mom back.
Dad, do you think Mom will come back tomorrow?
I think so.
You really do?
Yeah, I think Mom just needed some time away. She was exhausted.
She probably just needed a little break from everything.
So you think she'll be back tomorrow?
Hopefully.
Hi. I was wondering if you're hiring?
You're looking for a job?
Yes.
What's your name?
Sarah.
I'm Mrs. Clara. I run this bakery. And you're out looking for work in this condition?
Yeah. I need something to keep me busy. And I need money.
Did something happen?
I just needed to get away from home for a while.
Have you ever worked in a bakery before?
No, but baking has always been a passion of mine. I love making apple pie, chocolate cake, cookies, and homemade bread.
Well, I could use some help around here.
Really?
Really.
Thank you so much.
And one more thing.
Yeah?
I live upstairs by myself. My husband passed away years ago, and my children live out of state. So if you need a place to stay for a while, You can stay with me.
Oh no, I couldn't do that.
You wouldn't be a burden. To be honest, it gets lonely around here.
Why are you being so kind to me?
Because sometimes people need kindness the most when they stop asking for it. You're safe here, dear. You can start tomorrow.
Thank you, really.
Dad, did you try calling Mom again today?
Yeah, I called her a few times, but her phone's still off. I also called some of her friends and stopped by a couple of their houses.
And?
She wasn't there.
So we still don't know where she is?
No, but I'm sure she's okay.
I hope so. So what are we going to eat today?
I already ordered some food for us. Food delivery for Harry?
Yep, that's us.
Great. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks. I miss you, Mom. Dad, aren't you going to work today?
I need to, but I'm not sure I should leave you here alone. So I took the day off.
Dad, it's okay. I'll be fine. I can take care of myself.
You sure?
I'm sure.
I just don't want you here by yourself after everything that happened.
Don't worry about me. Mom always says how hard you work for us. You can't keep missing work.
You sound just like your mom.
Really?
All right, but call me if you need anything, okay?
I will.
And keep your phone with you.
Okay?
I'll try to get home early.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning.
Ready for your first day?
I think so.
You're doing great. Just keep it even.
Hi, I'd like a large pepperoni pizza, please.
One large pepperoni pizza coming right up. Here you go, fresh out of the oven.
That smells amazing.
I hope you enjoy it.
I'm sure we will. All right, let's see how this pizza tastes.
Wow.
You have to try this.
Oh my goodness, this is amazing!
The crust is perfect.
This might be one of the best pizzas we've ever had. We definitely need to order from them again. Actually, I'm going to leave them a review right now.
Good idea. Let me get my phone.
Did you see this?
See what?
The customer who bought your pizza left a review.
Really? What did they say?
They said the pizza was so delicious, they couldn't stop eating it.
Wow.
And they gave us 5 stars.
That makes me so happy.
You did a great job today.
Wow, Mom did all of this by herself? No wonder she was tired all the time.
How did you do this every day? There are still more dishes?
Finally, all done. We ordered food outside, but I still had a sink full of dishes. That took forever. Let me clean the living room. It's such a mess. Most of this is my toys and books. Okay, first I'll keep all my toys in one place and my books in another place. This is actually easier when everything has a proper spot. Okay, now let me take care of the laundry. There's so much clothes here. From now on, I should not leave clothes everywhere. I need to put them in the laundry basket right away. Okay, I've put everything in its place. Now I need to vacuum the whole house. Wow, there's dust everywhere. I didn't even notice it before. Wow, I finally cleaned the whole house. It looks amazing. I'm so tired. I think I need to rest for a minute.
Mom is pregnant, and I have no idea how she manages to do all this by herself every day.
I miss you, Mom. It's only been a day, but it feels so much longer. I really hope you come home today. Wait, I have an idea. Mom loves apple pie. If she's coming home today, I could bake an apple pie for her. She would be so surprised to see it. And after everything she's done for me, she deserves something special. Let me see if I can find an apple pie recipe on TV.
Hey, sweetheart, how are you doing?
Hi, Dad.
Wow, this house looks amazing. Did you clean all of this by yourself?
Yes, I did.
That's a great job. I'm really proud of you. If Mom sees this, she's gonna be so happy.
Thanks, Dad.
I brought dinner.
You bought food from outside again?
Yeah, I did.
How long are we going to keep eating takeout? My stomach hurts every time we eat this stuff.
Mine too.
Can we start cooking at home?
You wanna cook?
I only know how to make grilled cheese.
That's honestly more than I know.
So, can you teach me?
I think we're both going to have to learn.
Actually, Dad, I have an idea.
What's that?
I'm going to make an apple pie for Mom.
An apple pie?
Yeah, I really hope she comes home tonight. I watched a recipe on TV, and I wrote down all the steps.
That's a wonderful idea.
I want to surprise her.
Then let's make the best apple pie she's ever had.
Dad, is this too much sugar?
I honestly have no clue.
Great, we're definitely ruining this.
Dad, the pie is all set. Let's put it in the oven at 425 degrees.
Sounds perfect! Let's do it!
Okay, here we go.
Whoa. Your mom would be impressed.
It's not perfect.
Honestly, that's pretty good.
Mom loves apple pie. She used to make it whenever I was sad.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Saving a piece for Mom, in case she comes home tonight.
Well, that's very thoughtful.
Dad, I thought Mom would come today. I was so excited to see her reaction when she eats my apple pie.
But she didn't come. I miss her so much, Dad.
It's okay, dear. She'll come soon.
Okay, Dad.
Can you decorate this cake?
I can try.
Wow, that's beautiful.
You really think so?
I know so.
Wow, that cake looks amazing. I want this one for my birthday today. I love this cake.
You do? Okay, sweetie, this one is perfect. All right, we'll take it. Wonderful, let me box it up for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I can't wait to eat it.
You're welcome. Happy birthday. I can't believe he picked my cake. I told you it was beautiful. That little boy could have picked any cake in the bakery. But he picked yours. You're talented, Sarah. You just needed someone to remind you. When you first came here, you seemed so unsure of where life was taking you. And now? Now I see a woman who's starting to believe in herself again. After everything I've been through, it felt good to be useful again. Like I was finally stepping back into a life where I still had meaning.
You miss them, don't you? It's already been 2 weeks since you came here.
I miss them badly.
Then go home.
What if nothing changes?
Then you teach them how to do better. It's okay to take time for yourself, but your family misses you more than you know. Don't stay away too long.
You're right. It's time for me to go home.
You've been holding on for so long. It's okay. Go home and find your peace.
Would you like to come home with me? I'd really like to introduce you to everyone. Sure, dear. I'd be happy to.
Are you making apple pie again?
Yeah, Dad. What if she comes today? I want everything ready.
You're making it every day?
Yes, Dad. I'll keep making it until she comes. I'll just make a small amount so nothing goes to waste if she doesn't come that day.
Don't worry, sweetheart. She can't stay away from you. She'll come soon.
Okay, Dad. Mom, I missed you so much. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry, sweetheart.
I am extremely sorry, Sarah. You were pregnant, and I should have been there for you. I should have helped you more. I should have been with you instead of leaving everything on you. I saw how tired you were, and I still let you handle everything alone.
This wasn't your fault, Harry. You work so hard for this family, carrying all the financial pressure.
That doesn't mean you should carry everything else alone.
I should have told you when I needed help. I kept everything inside until I broke down. That was my mistake too. I'm sorry to both of you.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you both so much.
I love you, Sarah.
So, where were you all this time, Mom? I wasn't alone. I stayed with her. I worked in her bakery. She gave me a place to stay and took care of me.
She's a very good baker, very hardworking. She never gave up, even on her hardest days.
She helped me get back on my feet.
Thank you for taking care of her. Maybe we can start a bakery for you.
Together?
Yeah, together.
That would be wonderful.
Mom, I made apple pie for you.
You made apple pie?
Your favorite.
How did you know I'd come home today?
She's been making apple pie almost every day, hoping you'd come home.
Oh my God. I missed you so much, Mom.
Mom, I even learned how to clean and cook a little.
Yeah, she's really becoming a little chef.
You did all that for me?
Yes, Mom, I just wanted to help and make you happy.
Now come on, everyone. The apple pie is waiting for us.
It tastes perfect. It's actually amazing.
Thank you. This is officially my best pie.
It really is.
Help your family members whenever you can, share the responsibilities at home, and take care of one another. A home becomes stronger when everyone works together and supports each other.
No family is perfect, but love, honesty, and forgiveness can bring people back together. Right, sweetie?
Right, Mommy?
That's my girl. We're so excited for the new baby.
I can't wait to be a big sister.
Thank you for watching. Have you ever gone through something like this? Tell us in the comments. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.
Until next time, take care of yourself and the people you love. Goodbye, and see you soon.